Greetings from Teacher Belle's Tutorial Services. Today I'm going to give you the idea of the services that we provide. Our tagline is where dreams and aspirations start. My name is Belle and I'm a licensed professional teacher with a bachelor's degree in secondary education and a master's degree in arts and education. I am a tutoring service provider who offers face to face and online tutoring services to clients. I cater students from young learners up to adult learners. I provide academic assistance to students and other educational services related to. Now let's go to my tutoring journey. I have started providing face to face tutoring classes and services since 2013. Initially, my students are young learners from preschool to elementary school students. I provide academic assistance and advanced lessons for students who wish to either cope up or excel in their academic subjects. In 2014, I decided to expand the services I have and provided academic assistance to high school students. And in 2015, I started to offer online tutoring services to local and international learners, and that same year, my journey to ESL teaching began. Our vision and mission. Our vision is providing the quality education to learners around the globe. Our mission is instilling the value of education to the learners by means of holistic teaching method. Develop the students' self-confidence and encourage to maximize their potential. For the services that I offer, I have face-to-face tutoring and online tutoring services. This is for individual and group class. For the mode of class, we have video class, audio class, or recorded class. This is for online services. If you would like to use either Zoom, Google Meet, Facebook Messenger, Skype, or regular phone call, it is also possible. Now, for the service that I offer when it comes to subjects, I offer English, math, science, arts, Filipino, araling panlipunan, music, physical education, health, ESL, humanities and social sciences, psychology, and review for quizzes and exam preparation. Take note that I also accept reviews for IELTS exam and for other ESL purposes. Now, for the non academic subjects, I offer navigating and using MS applications or Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and many more. I can also be your trusted source of learning materials which are discussion ready. This is good for online and face to face teaching. I can also provide learning achievement certificates, printables, and copy. This is good for those who would like to give their students awards after they have done or finished their tutoring service. Now, I also provide templates for lesson plan, lesson materials for discussion, and schedule plotting. For my rates, for face-to-face and online tutoring, preschool to elementary school learners, individual class starts from 25 minutes trial class, 50 pesos. For 30-minute class, 50 pesos. For 40-minute class, 75 pesos. 45-minute class, 100 pesos. And for 1 hour class, it costs 150 pesos. Now, for the group class with the same range of students from preschool to elementary school learners, this will be minimum of 2 students. The given rates here will be paid by each of the students who will attend the online learning. For 25 minutes trial class, we have 25 pesos. For 30-minute class, we have 25 pesos. For 40-minute class, we have 40 pesos. 45-minute class, we have 50 pesos. And 1 hour class costs 100 pesos. For the rates of students ranging from junior to senior high school learners, for individual class, we have 25 minutes trial class which costs 50 pesos, for 30-minute class 50 pesos, 40-minute class 75 pesos, 45-minute class 100 pesos, and an 1 hour class for 150 pesos. Now for group class with the same range of students, we have minimum of 2 students and the rate starts from 25 minutes trial class which is 50 pesos, 30-minute class 50 pesos, 40-minute class 70 pesos, 45-minute class 80 pesos, and an hour class will be 120 pesos. Now, for the other non-academic services that I provide, my rate starts at 50 pesos depending on the service requested by the client. Now, how to book your online schedule? Step 1. Visit our Facebook page, Teacher Belle's Tutorial Services PH, and send us a message, and we will send you the link to fill up our Google form to book your schedule. We can also provide you information if you will text us on our given mobile number. Step 2. Fill in your email address and type of the tutoring service that you would like to avail. Note that we will send the necessary details on the email address that you will provide. So if there will be a change in your email address, please notify us. Step 3. Fill in the personal details such as your age, location, and grade level. If you are not a student who wish to avail non-academic service, please choose the others from the option. Step 4. Choose the academic or non-academic service that you would like to avail. Step 5. Choose your preferred date to start availing the service, the days that you would like to avail the service, the time, class duration, medium for online tutoring, either by Zoom, Skype, Google Meet, Facebook Messenger, and etc. Now for the last step, step 6, choose your mode of payment. Submit your response. Confirm your payment at least a day before the service date. Wait for the confirmation email, which we will send you soon as the payment has been made. And of course, attend on your booked schedule. Now for the common questions, what if I had to cancel my booked schedule due to sudden matter? As long as you notify at least a day before your booked schedule, the payment will be returned or refunded. But failure to notify a day before the appointment or failure to attend on the booked appointment will not guarantee money back or refund. Can I avail multiple services? Yes, of course, you may, as long as we can see all the services that you would like to avail from the Google form that you have filled up. Now you can contact us at our given mobile number, which is 63910-622-8562. For our email address, we have t.bellstutorialservicesph@gmail.com, or find us on Facebook and Instagram by simply keying Teacher Belle's Tutorial Services page. From there, you can send us all your inquiries and we will respond to you immediately. Thank you for watching and listening. I hope to see you soon in our class. Bye!